To utilize the Make an Offer option on a particular website, start by opening a web browser and navigating to the site, which specializes in buying and selling secondhand designer fashion. Once on the site, click to access the homepage, where you can find a search bar, the website's logo, and options to sign in or sign up. To proceed, sign in with your email and password or create an account if you don't already have one. The site allows you to browse items for sale, manage your account, view your favorites and notifications, and access your shopping bag. To make an offer on an item, search for something that interests you and select it. Each item has options such as Add to Bag and Make an Offer, as well as details about the items. Condition and quality control. By clicking Make an Offer, you can submit a bid and negotiate the price with the seller. This feature enables you to engage in a price negotiation for the item. In this case, a handbag. Following these steps allows you to conveniently make an offer on the items available on the site.